Hello, today I'm going to introduce to you the Q-Tips cotton swabs. There are 170 in this pack, but a lot of their products, they have more. I've seen 500 in one pack, so I just got the 171. Q-tips can be used for a variety of things. They're multi-purposeful. I like to use them, for example, to put my makeup on, my eyeshadow. I used to use my finger, and that was not practical, but using a Q-tip really works out great because it's just such an easy application. And brushes are expensive. They are 100% pure cotton. So, that's really good for your skin. A lot of people are sensitive to different materials, and cotton is known, to be more kind to people with sensitive skin or difficult, bodies in general. Yeah, so if you have allergies to different products, I would definitely consider these ones because they have the cotton, 100% pure cotton. So you can use them to also apply lotions or ointments. They're so soft, so it's great if you're taking care of a kid or a baby. These are really nice on your skin. And what's nice is also they are disposable. Now I'm very happy for the environment, and usually when you hear disposable, that's, that doesn't sound too great. But the good thing about these is they are biodegradable, and it even says here our paper sticks are sourced from sustainable forests. So, and even the box, the packaging which it comes in is, it's recyclable because it's cardboard. And as you can see, you can't really carry the box around with you because it's kind of bulky, but it's a great way to keep them in. And I am having trouble doing this with one hand, but you can slide the Q-tip box in and out to open it. There we go. And they're all set in here. They're also not scented. A lot of products on the shelf you'll see today, they're scented. And what I don't like about that is I have very sensitive skin, and personally, I don't really like scented products. I think that scented toilet paper, scented paper towels, things like that, I find it to be nauseating personally. But I also have allergies to products that are scented. And so having these basic, nice, very simple Q-tips that are good for the environment, is definitely a win for me. I also use them when I'm trying to take my nail polish off and I kind of want to get in the nooks and crannies. It really helps to have these as opposed to just cotton balls. And they're also double-sided, so you get more bang for it. Instead of just having a one-sided thing, you can use both ends before you get rid of it, which is nice as well. It also makes it so that they last longer because then you use less at one time. So I bought these actually last week, and I have so many of them right now, obviously. But I have been buying them for quite some time, years and years now. Q-tips is an excellent brand. I think they've been around since 1923. So they were invented quite a while ago, and they know what they're doing. They specialize in this kind of thing, in Q-tips. They're great when you're traveling. I definitely have added a few to my first aid kit. They're always great when you're disinfecting a wound or anything like that. It's just nice to have Q-tips on hand. Sometimes I'll even wipe down my electronics with the Q-tip and dust things. So there's so many purposes for this. They make your life a lot easier. You can carry them on your person anywhere you go. I would say to be careful about you know, using them as a swab for your ear, because that can be dangerous, but I do advise that you can kind of go on the outside of your ear as well. Most people don't know that. So they're biodegradable, everything is recyclable, so yay, go trees. I really like when I do my eyeshadow, I can actually use these to create more depth and be more detailed in my design. And so since then I started using different colors because I just feel like the application goes a lot more smoothly and it looks a lot cleaner. They're white. I have seen some where you have different color sticks, but usually the cotton is white. And that's okay with me as long as they do their job. I have very sensitive skin, and so this is definitely good for me. Yeah, so you should check out Q-tips. They are the original Q-tip company. You know, cotton swabs here. And yeah, I mean, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.